was looking at the fundamentals and the fundamentals for a business. And remember that investing in a stock represents ownership in a business. It's no more complicated than that. It's not a lottery ticket. Investing in
Uh-huh.
stocks like gambling. So you want to look at the company and, well, what do you want in a company if you're thinking about it, right? To be profitable and you want it to grow. So I look at growth, I look at profitability. Ladies and gentlemen, if you look at how profitable Micron is, gross margins over 40%, but even better than that is the return on equity over 20%, right? So that's just Warren Buffett type of numbers.
Uh-huh.
Quality earnings are not in IOUs or I'll pay you tomorrow. It's in cash, okay? And over the last 12 months, Micron's produced just from operations, $22 billion dollars of cash.
Wow.
They make so much money that each employee brings in net income. They bring net income for the company of $250,000 almost, $224,000. But they're
Yep.
growing revenues over 40%. That's phenomenal. They are growing EBITDA at almost a double, 96%. If you look at forward EBITDA, wow, wow, we leverage free cash flow, astronomical, 1,600%. The chart looks sexy than a motherfucker. If you're an old school guy, you're going to be like, what about the valuations? Oh, the valuation, isn't it very expensive? Because they're going to look at like a 33 PE
Yeah.
ratio, to which I would say, no, it's not expensive if you look at the growth. So remember, it's not just things are expensive for a reason, things are cheap for a reason. And
Yep.
maybe that's a good thing to end on.